Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So one attracts another. This is my Toyota GR86 that I have already fitted with the Xforce Varex catback system. Right behind me we have yet another Toyota GR86 in for exhaust upgrade today. So this car will be receiving the same Xforce system that I have on my car. So now before we begin the installation work, let's start up the GR86 and do a sound check. Listen to how it sounds like with the factory exhaust system, which is extremely quiet. Alright, so here we have the factory catback section removed out from the GR86, and this is the Xforce system that is going into the car later. So on the factory system, on the mid-pipe area, as you can see, there is a very long, very huge and restrictive center resonator. Then to the rear, we have this very restrictive muffler box as well. So with the entire factory catback system on the GR86, the car doesn't sound loud at all. And also do notice this factory system, it does not have any valve control function. While for the Xforce system, on the mid-pipe, of course, we still have a center resonator, but this is definitely a lot smaller, a lot shorter, and also it is less restrictive compared to the factory ones. And to the rear section, we have the Xforce Varex muffler. So this is where the valve's located at, that you can have the full control over the valves to let it fully open or fully close. And these are the remote control, also the Varex module box alongside with the wirings that is going into the car for you to operate the valves. As you can see, the Xforce system, it comes with two different sets of exhaust tips. So you have the titanium burn blue tips and also the standard chrome silver tips, and it is up to you to decide which exhaust tips that you want to fit onto the car. And if you are bored of maybe the chrome silver tips, you can always swap it out and replace with the titanium burn blue tips. So the Xforce exhaust tips, definitely they are slightly larger compared to the factory tips, and also it looks a lot better compared to these factory tips. So you have the Xforce logo crafted on the tips, and also the diameter is slightly larger when you compare both the factory tips and the Xforce tips. And that's all for the product explanation part. So now let's get back to work to install this beautiful Xforce system onto the GR86. The Xforce system is a completely plug and play system. There is no modifications needed. So basically we just install the exhaust system, do a little bit of wiring, then we are good to go. And later, once we have everything installed, of course, we will start up the car, do a sound check, listen to how much difference that this Xforce Varex catback system makes compared to the factory system. And that's how the Xforce Varex catback system sounds like on the Toyota. So let us know in the comments, what do you think about the Xforce system? How does it sound like on the Toyota GR86? Also, if you like our content, hit the like button, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.